To navigate to Users and System Administration from Portal Home, click the gear wheel to the left of the search bar and select Users and System Administration. In Administrators, you can add other Kintone users as Kintone Users and System Administrators. A Kintone admin has access to all of these back-end Users and System Administration settings. This includes, but is not limited to, accessing subscription details, creating users, and setting login security settings. Kintone administrators have access to the app settings of every app not listed in the private app group. They also have permission to all features of the platform, like creating apps in spaces and accessing Kintone administration, which is another set of admin features accessible from Portal Home. To add a user as an administrator, find their name from the department and users list, or search their name in the search bar, select their name, and click Add. Once you're all set, you'll go ahead and save your changes. We highly recommend having more than one user and system administrator per account. This will be beneficial if the main admin has login trouble, if the admin suddenly leaves, or if an end user needs help resetting their password and the main admin is out.